Alright, so last stop, got all the wood, got everything that I needed. They didn't have pressure treated because I guess everyone and their mother's building a deck these days. So I just settled for regular. And then had to come and grab my buddy. He'll be coming with us. It's better than just sitting inside all day. Isn't it, Pally? Yes, it is. Alright, next stop will probably be a gas stop, and then we should be headed out there. Alright, so first couple things I'm going to take care of, creating a little path just right to the ladder and stuff. I've been getting a ton of ticks right there lately. I don't know what other people call them. We call them seed ticks, or that you can't even see them on you. So we've been getting a lot of those right there. And then on the other side there's some broken supports, 4x4. So when you're up there, it's rocking a little bit. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, so I want to get that fixed up. And I might fix another support, depending on if I have enough wood. Yeah, we'll go knock it out. Yeah, come on. so we got all the way around it cleaned up, so I can actually walk around it. Now, we're gonna tackle this. Well, not gonna be able to do that because every time I try to pry it off, it's part of the hammer's bending. This hammer sucks. Lucky enough, found hammer number 2. Let's get after it, boys. And girls. So I'm changing out the blade on this. Always take out your battery, because the worst thing that happened could be cut your dang hand off. I haven't done this in a while. This is threaded backwards, I know that. Take that sucker off. I guess we'll pull this up. Yep, easy as that. That's how it goes in. Hopefully. Boy, this thing's rusty. I'll put this bad boy back in. Backwards. And there's a button on the top that locks it. There we go. You don't have to go too hard. Well, I say that, but I'm also an idiot. Super wobbly. God dang it. Forgot the spacer. Lefty tighty. Shut up. Heck are those? Alien plants. Yikes. Get on. Pile right by that. $76 3/4. Maybe 7/8. 7/8. 76 7/8. That could have been bad. Like a clock. still level. Boys and girls. Watch out, Ash. Go on. Oh, well, darn it. Let's hope this works. Well, my phone and my camera died middle of the process, so I don't know what the last thing you saw is. I charged up my phone. That's what I'm on right now. Asher, don't go in the water. Double away. So we're gonna unload all the scraps from the end of the project. Got a little burn pile right here. Throw the old scraps away. Happens. Nothing yet. There we go. So there's some catfish in here. They just put some catfish. Look at that. They're going crazy. That's a good way to end off the night. Toss it back in the bucket. Put that back on. I'll strap it up. And I'll show you the blind on the way out, all the work that I did, and where I ended up putting a trail camera and whatnot. So I'll check back. Beautiful way to end the night. And the deer blind that we were working on is all the way right there. That's a grumpy old cow. Beautiful night. Great way to end the night. From the other way up to the blind. This is a road that goes right through the property, by the way. This is not a public road. This was made to adjoin properties amongst the family. So I ended up finishing that. I just made cross braces like that, 45 degrees, and it should be more stable. Anyway, I'm gonna head out for the night and look forward to the next project.